consequences of a fire can be traumatizing, not to mention the horrifying aftermath. Fire and smoke damage aside, the firefighting process can cause water damage to your property. We understand that you feel confused and devastated, with nowhere to turn. The good news is that there is someone who can bring an end to your trauma and your home suffering. From residential to business and beyond, your caring and seasoned experts are here to not only fix superficial damage, but to provide you and your family with the empathy and respect you deserve during this traumatic time. We'll take your budget into account, diligently restoring your home and getting you back on track to domestic or business bliss. We pride ourselves on catering to any disaster of any size and won't hesitate to travel to your location of preference in a heartbeat. Contact our friendly and dedicated team today and burn down your worries for good.